Okay, so our next one we're gonna do is the Cosmo, but we're gonna do it the metal chopping block way, which is really the way my wife likes it. So normally in a Cosmo, you have cranberry juice, vodka, and because we're mixing it, I don't use a top shelf vodka, but Russian Standard is nice. Use whatever vodka you like. Instead of lime, we're gonna add oranges. She loves the orange or tangerine, and we'll put some raspberries. So let's get to it. First step is we cut the orange, and then we'll cut it in half again. And squeeze. Okay, so now we have the orange squeezed into the shaker. So we're gonna do 2 parts vodka, because my wife doesn't like it too strong. So we're gonna do 2 parts vodka. So we did 2 parts vodka and 3 parts cranberry juice. So now we have the squeezed orange, 2 parts vodka, 3 parts cranberry. We stir it.
Wait.
So today we're going to use raspberries. You can use strawberries. You can use a lot of different stuff. She likes raspberries, so that's what we're putting in for our garnish.